Hello everyone, I'm Timothy from Synergies Intelligent System. Our company is focusing on augmented analytics, which is the use of AI to automate and improve decision making in companies. The specificity of our company is that we are impacting every level of the companies, from the operational level to the management level, but also every aspect of the business, from the supply chain to the product delivery or logistics. So today we are going to especially talk about our SmarTEX platform, which is an augmented analytics platform, and see how it can help business to make decisions 10 times faster. So how do we answer quicker to this kind of question? Actually, SmarTEX is going to only take you one click or a simple query to answer this kind of question. Today's example is a manufacturer who is actually asking this following question: how do I improve my production line performances? With SmarTEX, you just query the information and the question, and you directly get the information. First, it gives you a good summary of the current KPI, so that you know the situation, but also the bottlenecks. And here in this example, it's the cycle time of the whole production line. And so you know where the bottlenecks are, for instance here in the third workstation. But how are we able to know those information? Actually, it's thanks to our motion analysis module. It takes the visual data information from the whole production line, and especially the one from the operator's work. It checks the movement, the time of the movement, and the accuracy of the movement to know if there is any difficulty for the operator to achieve this movement. With this information, SmarTEX is able to analyze the different bottlenecks and if these performances have an impact on the whole production. By knowing this information, SmarTEX is able to calculate, thanks to algorithm, the new way to reorganize or to bring some solution to this issue. Here in this example, SmarTEX is actually giving an advice to reorganize the whole production line. Here it's going to actually add several workstations and dispatch in a better way the workers on the production line so that we can meet the improvement requirement. So after giving you this suggestion, SmarTEX is going to also tell you how it will impact your overall performance. In this case, it's going to show you how the cycle time was improved and how it actually improves the whole balance of the production line. Then you will have a justification on how those changes will affect your whole process. SmarTEX helps this customer to actually solve this issue of improving the performance of the production line. But that's only a small glimpse of what SmarTEX is actually capable to do. So if you have any more questions, just don't hesitate and come ask at Computex. We will be there to answer your question. In the meantime, have a good day.